Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, and It's All Small Stuff by Richard Carlson was written in 1997. Put your little struggle into perspective. By doing this, you gain more enjoyment of other people and life generally. So many people spend so much of their life energy sweating the small stuff that they completely lose touch with the magic and beauty of life. When you commit to working toward this goal, you will find that you have far more energy to be the kinder and gentler. One of the major reasons so many of us remain hurried, frightened, and competitive and continue to live life as if it were on one giant emergency is our fear that if we were to become more peaceful and loving, we would suddenly stop achieving our goals. We would become lazy. You can put this fear into rest by realizing that the opposite is true. Fearful, frantic thinking takes an enormous amount of energy and drains the creativity and motivation from our lives. Richard Carlson said there are two rules for living in harmony. Number one, don't sweat the small stuff, and two, it is a small stuff. Author finds himself actually laughing at things he used to worry about. The energy he once spent on getting angry and overwhelmed is now spent on his family and creative thought. Don't be afraid of the vacant moment. You are a human being, not a human doing. So just be and consider your boredness. You may be surprised at how it clears the mind and provide new thoughts. This is super valuable way of reassuring your priorities now when it matters. That is, imagine yourself at your own funeral. Not many people looking back on their life would be pleased by how much of it they spent being uptight with all the small stuff over which they sweated. Ask yourself, what sort of person was I? Did I do the things I love? And did I really love and cherish those close to me every day? The esteemed psychologist Abraham Maslow recognized it as a key feature of what he called the self-actualizing person, a person who has given up pettiness for an unusually wide view of the world and life.